Hello guys, welcome back to 4x4 Maniacal. Today I'm going to talk in this video about top 5 best LED headlights that you should buy. Let's get started. To begin with is the Xenon Pro LED Headlight Conversion Kit. The Xenon Pro LED Headlight Conversion Kit is at the top of our list due to their brightness and extreme clarity, which is the result of advanced German technology. Moreover, these headlights are completely water, dust, shock and rumble proof. Another amazing feature of the Xenon headlights is that they are available in a number of colors such as yellow, white, purple and blue, so that you can choose the one that you like best. They are up to 150% brighter than halogen headlights while saving on energy as they use only 45 watts for power. Second on the list is the SNGL Super Bright LED Headlight Conversion Kit. The SNGL Super Bright LED Headlight Bulbs are the only bulbs that use Lumi LED's Luxion LED. These bulbs generate the correct beam pattern suitable for the driving conditions with the help of a patented, adjustable focus length. These headlights are able to achieve high level of brightness at 12,400 lumens with no foggy lights or dark spots, thus providing a clear view to the drivers even on dark and hazy nights. The crystal clear 6000K white light makes your drive less stressful and safe as it clearly illuminates the objects and obstacles on the road. Next up is the HIKARI Ultra LED Headlight Bulbs Conversion Kit. The HIKARI Ultra LED Headlight Bulbs make it to our best LED headlight list as they provide a perfect and extremely bright light. These headlights are designed with the latest and most advanced technologies that are not offered by any other brand. You will love the stylish look they give to your vehicle. They are rainproof and fog-proof, thus allowing you to enjoy a smooth drive despite the weather conditions. The HIKARI headlights are manufactured by using the AI frequency technology that ensures a perfect light beam pattern without any dark spots. Fourth on the list is the NINEO LED Headlight Bulbs. The NINEO LED headlight bulbs come with an intelligent control driver chip that helps monitor fan speed and maintain cooling. These headlights operate at 6000K with 12,000 lumens per pair. Moreover, its advanced technology ensures a perfect beam without any dark spots. The installation of these headlights is very easy and can be done within 20 minutes without any added wiring, capacitors and relays. They are campus ready and do not interfere with the car's computer system. Last but not least is the Glowteck LED Headlight Bulbs Conversion Kit. The Glowteck LED headlights are designed with the latest Cree XHP 50 LED chip, thus making them a great kit to upgrade from halogen headlights. They are on our list of best LED headlights as they produce 12,000 lumens per pair, thus providing brighter illumination. With an anti-glare body and spherical optical design, these headlights provide greater color consistency, reliability, and lumen density. The Airflux dual cooling together with a dual Japanese ball bearing cooling fan and copper thermal heat sink, these headlights ensure maximum heat dissipation. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this product, check the video description.